the EKickScooter E8. Did you know that this e-scooter is specially designed for us kids?
Aww.
Are you ready? Let's unbox it! Wow! Inside the box is a manual, tool, charger, and a EKickScooter E8. Now let's assemble it. Kuya Ethan, can you help me assemble it? Before you go to a scooter, you must wear your helmet. To turn it on, just press the button here and it will light up and illuminate. It has two speed modes, standard and turbo mode. Standard safe mode can run up to 10 kilometers per hour. While turbo mode, top speed is 15 kilometers per hour. How cool is that? Wow! One full charge can run up to 10 kilometers, and when it then drains, you can kick it as a normal EKickScooter. The tires are also made with high elastic rubber. It has also a front shock absorption. It has 1 year limited warranty. Come on, let's do a test ride with this awesome EKickScooter E8. To turn it on, just press this button. All you have to do is make a momentum by kicking the ground, just like a normal EKickScooter. Press the accelerator throttle to move forward. To brake, just press the left lever and the EKickScooter E8 will stop. You can get this Ninebot EKickScooter E8 for only 14,999 pesos. That's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our first unboxing video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye!